Sending money securely and efficiently is crucial, and today we'll walk through how to initiate a wire transfer with Citibank, both domestically and internationally. Whether you're paying a bill cross-country or supporting family abroad, Citibank offers robust wire transfer services, but understanding the process, fees, and security is key. First, you'll need to log into your Citibank online banking account. If you haven't set up online banking, you'll need to do so first. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Transfers section, or look for an option like Wire Transfers or Send Money. For a domestic transfer, you'll need the recipient's full name and address, their bank's name and address, the recipient's account number, and their bank's routing number. International transfers require a few more details: the recipient's full name and address, their bank's name and full address, the recipient's account number or BIN if applicable, and the SWIFT BIC code of their bank. Citibank charges a fee for wire transfers, which can vary based on whether it's domestic or international. These fees are typically around $25 for domestic and $35 for international transfers, but always confirm the latest fees on their website. Regarding security, always double-check all recipient details before confirming. Citibank employs encryption and multi-factor authentication to secure your transactions, but vigilance on your part is crucial to prevent errors. After reviewing all the information carefully, you'll confirm the transfer. You'll usually receive a confirmation number for your records, and that's how you complete a wire transfer with Citibank, ensuring your money reaches its destination securely and efficiently.